Good morning, students. GK class. Chapter number 2, Inspiring Indian Leaders. So, in this chapter, we are going to be learn about some important leaders from India. Okay. So, first of all, what they are saying: read and identify the name of the leader. Take help from the help box. See here, help box is given here, and name of the leaders is also given. You have to identify from the photos, and you can take the help of help box. Okay, so first of all, we'll read the details about the leaders. Okay, and then we'll identify. Dash is also known as the Iron Man of India. So, Loha Purush. Iron Man's mean Loha Purush. We are giving this title to this leader because he is a strong personality, and with his decision, his decision is very good. Okay, so we'll see. He joined the independent movement of India, inspired by the Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, so he joined the independent movement during the British periods. All the leaders are fighting for the freedom of India. So he also joined the independence movement of India because of Mahatma Gandhi, and eventually become the first deputy prime minister of India, and then the first home minister of India. He played a key role of uniting the 500 princes state into the independent Indian Union. So, during the British people, whenever India is under the British people, all the princes state means in Hindi you can say the state which is under in the kings. ओके, इंडिया में बहुत सारे किंग्स थे, तो जो प्रिंसेस स्टेट उसे कहते हैं जहाँ पे वो जो स्टेट है वो राजाओं के अंडर थी. तो अब सब जगह अलग अलग चीज़ें थी, तो इन्होंने क्या किया, ही डन द वर्क ऑफ ब्रिंगिंग द ऑल द किंग टुगेदर एंड एग्री देम to come together. Okay, hence October 31st, his birthday, is celebrated as Rashtriya Ekta Divas, because he bring all the king together. So Rashtriya Ekta Divas, this day is celebrated as Rashtriya Ekta Divas, National Unity Day. So as you can see, this is a well-known person, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Okay, so next, according to this picture, you already know who is this, but still we're going to read. Dash is popularly known as Baba Sahib. Okay, so this is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. He was the first law minister of India, independent India, and the principal architects of the Constitution of India. Constitution means Samvidhan. Okay, so our India is run according to the Samvidhan or Constitution. He was a jurist, economics and social reformer who lead the quest for the upliftment of Dalit and betterment of women. In which area he worked upliftment of Dalit. As you know, we are dealing with the very caste system in that period. So the Dalit people or the women peoples are considered as a weak person in the society. So for upliftment means so that they can do better. Okay, so Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar have done a lots of work so that the society can give the opportunity to Dalit and women to work together. He gave the slogan educate, aggregate and organize. Educate means शिक्षित होना. Okay. Aggregate means to come together. Okay. Organize means संगठित होना. Okay. So this is Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. We'll see third one. Dash was the first vice president of India and the second president of India from the year 1962 to 1967. He was the great scholar and philosopher and had won several titles including the Bharat Ratna in 1954. In 1954, Dr. S. Radhakrishna got Bharat Ratna, a knighthood from the Juris V in 1931 and honoring membership of the British Royal Order of Merit in 1963. His birthday is on 5 September, is celebrated as Teachers' Day across the nation since 1962. Okay, we are celebrating Teachers' Day because of Dr. S. Radhakrishna. Okay, so fourth one, Dash was we will first see this picture. Okay, was the second Prime Minister of India and share his birthday with Mahatma Gandhi on Mahatma Gandhi's birthday. Along with Mahatma Gandhi's birthday, this person is sharing his birthday. Okay, he got a title of Shastri in Kashi Vidyapith University as a mark of scholarly success. He was instrumental in promoting the Green Revolution. Because of this only person, India is developed in the field of agriculture. Green Revolution is a Harit Kranti, in that they take a lots of effort for growing the Harit Kranti, means for the farmers he's done a lots of work. Okay, and White Revolution means a Shwet Kranti, in that we have done lots of work in the field of milk daily product. Okay, he coined the slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan. This slogan everybody know. Because of this only during the Indo-Pak War of 1965. So this person is Lal Bahadur Shastri. Okay. Now, first of all, we'll see the picture. We know this person very well. Yes or no? Yes. Served as 11th President of the country from 2002 to 2007. He is known as Missile Man of India and worked as an aerospace engineer with DRDO and ISRO. Before becoming the President of India, he played a prominent role in the India 1998 nuclear weapon test and a crucial role in the development of the Indian first indigenous satellite launch vehicle SLV-3. He was also a writer, motivational speaker and inspiration figure. You can see the videos of APJ Abdul Kalam, how he's treating with the children, how he's talking out with the children. You will love that. Okay, so this is our Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Okay, and please read the books, see the videos of the APJ Abdul Kalam, how he worked, how he done such a great work. you will get a motivational, you will give a motive of the life. Please go through this, okay? Now, first of all we'll see the picture, okay? The second was Dash was the 10th Prime Minister of India. He is credited for bringing the several unprecedented social economics reform in the country. He laid the foundation of the Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan. Because of Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, means everyone can take the education. Okay, even poor people also can take the education, rich people also, making the education as a fundamental right for the children's age 6 to 14. So it is the right that each and every child who is belonging to 6 to 14 years old, they can take a free education. Okay, he made the Indian nuclear weapon state and undertook the National Highway Development Project. He is the credited for the telecom success in country. So this is our Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Because of this only we get Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, okay? Through that we can get education from age 6 to 14, okay? So now the two is remaining. We have Manmohan Singh is not till the name came. So first of all we'll see, you have to read these two, you have to see the pictures, according to that you have to identify the name. Okay, this is for homework. You have to identify and you have to write the name.